Oh, cute. Okay guys, finally we arrive at Toronto Zoo. Bili tayong ticket. Okay. Pasok na tayo. Let's go. Yan. Hanggang 6 p.m. or 4:30 depends. The ticket is how much?
Pag bibili ka ng 5 attraction, 134. Hindi man natin vlog pupunta.
Hindi na, yung ano lang, general admission lang. Nasa 2,000 pesos.
How much is the entrance fee? Ayun siya yung I'm not grabbing it. This time we are taking you. Get the big one, the majestic one. Wow.
Hey, Rhino. Oh, go there to the Guardian of Wild. Pangalan pala talaga ng isda yung gurami. Saan na siya? Ayun, ang laki oh. Yayan gurami.
Ang tagal mo mas. Nangayon ba tayo yan?
Ang laking tilapia oh.
Picturean mo ako.
Ang laking tilapia.
Trainer sa bed.
Wala na yung anak mo.
Huwag na pumasok.
Why this crocodile looks like a needle? Hey you, my bro. Ang luwag oh. Masayang-masaya ang mga kapatid ko dito. Nandito lang pala kayo. Oh. Looks like a real wild. Oh.
More food. Oh, banana.
Oh, that's your food oh. Lino. Banana.
Right?
Oh yeah. That one is eating. Oh, ang galing oh. Active. They look happy.
Where are all the birds here?
Birds? Maybe some of them are sleeping. Asa na? Ayun oh. Oh. Bogota, how are you? Kasi ang laki oh. There's some more? Baka yun na yun.
Picture lang kita.
Wala pa akong gusto.
Baka wala pa.
Ang...
Rare.
Wow. Cute. Ayun na nga, iniwan na ako ng dalawa. Ang galing. May nagmamahalan pa dito. Ito na. Sabay na yan. Kaya talaga kayo ng unggoy nagmamahalan na kayo dyan. Sana. Oh. Cobra. Just hiding, ano? Where?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. If you see it, you can point it out. It's doing the monkey thing. Baby bro? There's the other one. Oink. Oink. Hey, what are you doing there? You need to put a coin. Do you remember that? Ayun na ako, that's an expensive bird if you're gonna take care of one. Oh, sana ikaw?
Bird up there.
Did you tell mom what's the name of your baby bro?
One here.
Dahil pumapasok
Ah.
sa natin sa bayan.
There's one right there.
Oh yeah.
There's one over there.
It's so cute. And the other one, the wife. Oh, see? Scary?
Ayun, lumalaki sa taas.
Yeah, the one moving.
Yeah, and the other one's like a statue.
You. Ay!
Oh Yeah, he's so quiet.
Oh.
I think he's thinking of his lunch.
Direct silence can be
Oh yeah.
Big boxing.
Ayun oh. Lalapit, lalapit.
Big boxing.
Oh, ayun siya. Oh, thank you. Hello. Laking aquarium nito, guys. Yan yung pututoy naman yan. Yan.
Naked mole rat.
Naked, ano? Mole.
Marami silang mata. Or meron, hindi lang.
Meron na, ano? Tutgatuldok.
Ayan na, dati.
Mole rat. Ba't paatras ka maglakad? Uy. Paatras oh. Paatras. Hindi mo, boy. Oh!
Wait.
Siya ka naman. Gusto daw niya? Grabe, sobrang laki nito. Malaki pa lang ganyan yan. Malaki talaga, guys. Si King Julian. King Julian. Ito.
Baby.
There's a baby? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that dog. It's so cute.
That's you.
He's trying to dig out.
Oh.
He's escaping now.
Wait, I wonder what he can. What's under here?
Hey, you red butt baboon. Look at me, baboon. This one, he's scratching his butt and then he smell it.
Give me now.
Again. Nako, they're all sleeping. Hey, lion, wake up. Mahilig talaga magliyakapan tong mga lion na to. Ay, natutulog. Ha? Layo?
Ito yung mukha mo lang.
Ay, grabe. Kasi laki ng baka tong ano na to, kambing na to. Baka baka yan na may sungay. Oh, ang laki oh. Kambing pa ba yan? Cantaloupe. Bunch of cantaloupe.
No, when you're in line.
Grabe yung hyena oh. Hyena nga.
Ano nga yun? Kind of fox?
Hindi.
That's crazy. Oh, sige na.
Ito, this is Uncle Watusi. Ang laki oh. Uncle!
Parang cow din.
Cow na sobrang laki ng horn.
Parang ginagatasan na cow.
That one got a piercing.
Anong piercing? Oh yeah. No, I think it's a headset. Piercing ba yan? Headset yon? Ano ba yun? Oh, piercing nga.
Penguin.
Oh yeah, it's penguin. Ang dami nila oh.
A lot of penguin.
Oh yeah. See? Hey no. Picture ikaw, you want? Ang laki ng sungay talaga nito, nakakamangha. Oh yeah. Ay, umikot yung ulo. Ang galing na entrance oh. Oh. What will I do? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Or a hornbill.
There's a hornbill. Cute. Asan yung slot? Where? Golden Lion Tamarind. This is the one, oh. Golden Lion Tamarind. Ay, ayun, oh. What's this one? This one is a big... Ito nga yung Golden Lion. Oh, cute.
So that's RJ. He's
Ganado.
he's got the
12 years old na daw siya, oh.
father.
Oh.
And Mabel.
Just stay there, just look at me.
Magbalik niya. Sige na lang tayo.
Yeah. So one of the most
Ayun na naman siya sa likod mo. Oh. Cute.
You guys feed them with live fish or you give them like
Ano, pakagat na ako dito para maging superhero na ako. Black Widow.
Dad, cockroach.
Where? Oh yeah, ang cute naman ng cockroach na yan. Oh yeah, I want to have one.
Eastern lovers, grasshopper. Wait, grasshopper.
Back in the Philippines, I have like this, oh.
Grasshopper.
Brazilian giant cockroach.
Ferocious water bug.
This is the one that I have in the Philippines. Look at me now. I'm staring at something.
You staying at the fence. Yeah.
Ayun o, oh, see? Oh no. May picture ikaw. Asan na? Ayun na, tumakbo na. It's a wild bunny. Don't chase. Asan na? Ayun o. Ayun o. Walk slowly. Walk slow. Oh, yun na, tumakbo. Saan pupunta yun? Yeah. It's a wild Johnny. Yes, Papa. Wild Johnny. Yes, Papa. Wala na. Wala na si Johnny. Ayun o, ayun o. Anong pa o? Ayun o.
Ay.
Ayun o.
Wala.
Ayun, sa may bench. Sa may bench. Ayun o, tumakbo na. Ayun, tumakbo na. Nakikita mo ba? Looks like a pig. Siya na. It's a giant guinea pig. Thorny devil stick insect. So ito yung baby.
Bilang yung lobster. Oh.
So ito na yung malaki. Yun, napakababa.
They're just stuck.
Yeah, I don't know. They don't seem too big either.
That's so cute, Mama. Yan na.
Cute.
May palikpik.
Dalawang maliit na sa may taas. May lang nakakita seahorse.
Diba? At pumunta kang Cartimar. Ang dami dun. Pero parang ang hirap alagaan na dun. So cute.